If you work in digital marketing, you've heard the eulogy before. Panda killed it, mobile killed it, voice search killed it. This chart tracks the search volume for the term SEO against AI and AI agents. While traditional search demand is on a measurable downtrend, queries for AI-powered discovery tools have tripled in volume over the last 12 months. Users are increasingly looking for immediate answers, and AI engines provide them by summarizing complex topics directly on the results page. There is no need to visit a web page if a conversational model hands you the exact recipe, definition, or tutorial you asked for. This data visualization breaks down recent US Google search behaviors. Notice this major segment right here. 58.5% of those searches now result in 0 clicks to outside websites. The user gets their answer and leaves. People haven't stopped searching, but the traditional mechanism of funneling those searchers from a query to a specific landing page has been cut at the source. We have to look at search engine optimization not as a fixed target, but as a biological organism. When the environment changes, the organism mutates to survive. In the early 2000s, gaining visibility was a primitive exercise. Website owners packed their pages with exact match keywords and bought cheap, irrelevant links. Algorithms rewarded pure volume over actual utility. By the 2020s, the algorithms learned to measure actual utility. Fast load times, secure site architectures, and clear mobile-friendly designs became the strict baseline required just to show up in a search result. The practice of optimizing a website doesn't die. The algorithms simply force the industry to abandon manipulative tactics and adapt to a higher standard of relevance. Today, a search engine isn't looking for strings of text. Large language models process conversational language to determine the user's specific intent and the broader context of their question. If you write "leading provider of financial services" on your homepage, the algorithm recognizes that as a self-published assertion. Anyone can type that sentence. A website is a claim, not evidence. Modern algorithms evaluate a concept known as EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. To satisfy this framework, the machine demands independent corroboration. That corroboration lives outside your domain. It exists in industry trade publications quoting your executives. It's found in unlinked brand citations, digital PR campaigns, and real customer reviews across public forums. Search behavior is fragmenting. Google itself notes that nearly 40% of young people now use TikTok or Instagram as their primary tool for local discovery, while buyers consult an average of 10 different sources before committing to a purchase. Adjusting your own CMS settings is no longer enough. You have to prove your brand's expertise across the entire digital ecosystem, so the AI models have a reason to trust you. Let's trace a highly specific query across 3 different platforms. What should I do if I bought a pair of pants and they're too long? This diagram illustrates a traditional search interface. The user is presented with a vertical stack of blue links, and individual websites compete for clicks based on their metadata and title tags. But when an AI overview intercepts that exact same query, the interface changes. A massive summary box generates immediate steps, like hemming or using fashion tape, pushing the traditional organic links entirely below the fold. Run that query through an end-to-end answer engine like ChatGPT, and the open web disappears. The model bypasses external links entirely, generating a self-contained conversational response. To appear in these summaries, you have to practice answer engine optimization, or generative engine optimization. These disciplines focus on structuring your information so a machine can easily extract and cite it. The entities that format their data cleanly and efficiently are the ones the AI chooses to reference. In a zero-click environment, being cited is the new version of ranking first. Surviving this shift requires a hybrid approach. You have to maintain excellent technical site health while simultaneously formatting your content specifically for large language models. Take the auto loan company RefiJet. By combining traditional crawlability improvements with retrieval-augmented generation tactics to boost their web citations, they saw their LLM-driven traffic spike by over 2,000%, driving a 178% increase in funded loans. Machines prefer clean architecture. They extract data most reliably from tight, conversational paragraphs, explicitly defined terms, and highly structured comparative data tables. When you publish proprietary survey data, internal performance benchmarks, and first-hand case studies, you introduce facts that do not exist anywhere else. The AI has to cite you because you are the definitive source. While AI can summarize existing knowledge, it cannot invent proprietary data or real-world experience. By providing the unique insights that the models need to cite, you turn the AI from a competitor into a distribution channel. Which leads to the most dangerous trap facing digital marketers right now: using AI tools to write generic summaries of existing information. Pumping out average content guarantees you remain invisible to the models indexing the web. We are moving toward a reality where autonomous AI agents conduct complex, multi-step research on behalf of human users. These agents will crawl the web, verifying claims and synthesizing data across thousands of platforms simultaneously. Search engine optimization is evolving into the practice of capturing attention, no matter the platform, interface, or language model. To stay ahead of that curve, subscribe to GEO SEO Lab.